LJ here with the Adventure Stop, and here we are. We're back at Disneyland. And there it is, my friends, Galaxy's Edge. Just around the corner, almost ready to be completed and ready for us to visit very, very soon. Check it out. And here it is, everyone, the Pixar and Pals parking structure. Not quite complete yet, but it's well on its way. And there's going to be 6 levels of the Pixar Pals parking structure, just like the Mickey and Friends parking structure. As you can see, there's some tile work going on. The construction workers are hard at work at doing their thing, and it's coming along very nicely, folks. And well, would you take a look at that? The last time we were here, this canopy wasn't finished. All this metal siding wasn't finished, and here we are. It's coming along so nicely and so fast now. And just take a look at that. That row of cypress trees over there were taken down, and the pedestrian bridge is almost ready to go right across there. And it appears the bridge is going to extend out right about there. It's just amazing how fast this is coming along. So, did you know there's another entrance into Disneyland Park, and it's via monorail, here at the Monorail Station in downtown Disney. Here we go. To the monorail! This way, folks. And would you look at that? There's one waiting right here just for us. And here we are. We're back in Tomorrowland. And the last time we were here, there was lots of construction walls and scrim, and it looks like it's still the same. But take a look, the scrim is a little different. You can actually see it says Alien Pizza Planet, but wait, at the old former Red Rockets Pizza Port, there's the rocket, and I see Pizza Planet written all over it. That is amazing, guys. Hello, Astro Orbiter. Hello, Star Tours. Hello, Star Trader. Let's go check out and see what you have inside. And look, just in time for Galaxy's Edge. See, and you might be wondering how much these run. About $75. But they're really cool and very popular right now.
Attention pilots! Rocket ships have initiated landing procedures.
So since we entered the park via the monorail, we didn't really walk down Main Street. But what we really want to see is, how is Sleeping Beauty's castle coming along? Well, will you take a look at that? It's a thing of beauty. Look at that. It's all painted up, ready to go, guys. It looks amazing to have it back. Well, my friends, she is a thing of beauty, but she's not quite finished yet. There's quite a bit of temporary walls up, so that means there's still more work to be done. And well, it's been a few weeks since we were here, but all of these temporary walls, they're still up. Bonanza Outfitters has a nice fresh coat of paint. Hi, Mark Twain. I see you're steaming along just fine there. And one quick update, it looks like you can no longer walk all the way up to the fence, to the door, to the gate, to the entryway of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Also, here along the Big Thunder Trail, the former smoking area is no longer. And well, my friends, it looks like it's here the same. On this side of the entryway on the Big Thunder Trail for the new Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, the cast members, they stop you here now. Next, let's head into Fantasyland and check out the backside of the castle to see what kind of construction updates are going on over here. And well, my friends, it doesn't look that great. It's just plain blue scrim. But hey, one nice thing is, look at those new turrets. It's nice and bright, shiny blue and gold. Hey Monstro, if you can hear me, how about you give me a little wink? I think he heard me, guys. As we head into Adventureland, it is, yep, just about the same, guys. No archway yet.
You've never done it yet? Why don't we do this one?
Right across from the Jungle Cruise is the Bengal Barbecue, and what you can do is log on to your Disney mobile account and pick up your food right there in the corner. So fast, so efficient. So after you place your order, it prints out on this little ticket, the cast member grabs it and fulfills your order. Would you take a look at that amazingness? It's delicious. All right, let's go enjoy this. So this, my friends, is the Piranha Lemonade Slushie. It's got pineapple with popping pearls. And here we have one of our favorites, the Banyan beef skewer. It's a little spicy, guys, so if you're into spice, delicious. Not the most tender piece of meat is what I find in my experience, but it's still a lot of good flavor in there. And we tried the vegetable skewer here as well. All right, so let's give this a try.
Not expecting it.
Oh, that's good. A little sour, a little sweet, and pineapple-y. I'm gonna enjoy the rest here. We'll talk to you later, guys. And as we make our way over to Critter Country, past the Hungry Bear restaurant, this is also the third entrance for Galaxy's Edge. And as you can see, the temporary wall is still up, but not for long. And we're over here in New Orleans Square, right across from the Rivers of America. And there's not too much going on here, just a little bit of temporary walls going up as far as construction. But they're preparing for the usual tonight's show of Fantasmic. And it looks like there's a little bit of work going on there at the old Tom Sawyer's Island. Not sure what exactly. So today is a very busy day here at Disneyland Park. With so many construction projects going along, I know it's going to be a real nice place to visit really soon. So hey, I'm LJ with Adventure Stop. Thanks for visiting today, and we'll see you next time. Be sure to subscribe. Bye!